Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play the League Tour in FIFA Mobile. So, what you need to do first is tap the division I'm sorry, let's get back. What you need to do is tap the live events. So there are some ongoing events here. So let's tap the League Tour. This is the league tour, so it's like a daily training match. It's easy. For example, the first task is skill game, shooting one-on-one, and guarantee rewards league tour tokens. And you have to play match against Montpellier. By second half, it's easy. And the last one is expert is free kick, wall, and target. So you have to complete the task and you can get this league tour tokens. If you want to save until certain number, you can get the rewards, claim the rewards. Currently I'm just got 6, and you can trade or exchange with gold player with 70 overall rate by 10 tokens, or you can save until 240 and you get this Diakabi, a center back. So it's quite worth. So try playing this league tour every day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.